67 plate Ford Transit. This one is the XPT model. This is a H3 L2. This comes with the workshop in the back. Also comes with history backed up by BT, including recent wet belt change. Will come with a fresh 12 months MOT, major service upon sale. As you can see by the bodywork, it's a nice clean example. Here's the interior, no rips, no tears. This one's only done 52,000 miles. It's got the full racking in the rear, the microwave, 240 volts kettle. It's got a swing lift also. These can all be removed for free if wanted. It also comes with the security locks on the doors, amber lights to the top. This one will come with our standard 3 months warranty. If you've got any inquiries, drop us a message or give us a call. We can deliver this nationwide.